Hello YouTube friends. Well, today I'm going to talk about what I eat to maintain a healthy digestive system and to lose weight. So we have a simple red cabbage, which I have in the bowl here, and I have added this rock salt, some cider vinegar, some olive oil, and some pepper. And just give it a stir. And if you eat this every night with your dinner, maybe about a half a cup, you will definitely find an improvement in your digestive system. And if you're not able to chew raw cabbage, well, you could cook it, or you could buy some sauerkraut, which is really tasty, very good for your digestive system. And this will also help you to lose weight or maintain your weight. That's every evening with your meal. Or you can put it on a sandwich or something. But as long as you get a little bit of this in your body every day, your digestive system will love you. And your weight should stay the same, or you might find that you will lose some weight. But that's how I maintain my weight over 50. I'm 58 years old. And this is what I eat every night to keep myself from gaining any weight back. I put on a bit of weight when I was about, well, in my late 40s, and I just couldn't take it off. I think I was eating too many carbs, too much bread, too much pasta. So I've changed my eating habits. I eat more protein, less bread or zero bread. I do eat some rice once in a while. I try to eat protein with every meal, and I eat this cabbage salad every day. Anyway, I hope you find this helpful, and thanks for watching.